Good morning, everyone. We're here again with another video here. I have my uncle. My family's outside right now. We're gonna restore my headlights. That's basically the beauty for the video right here. Pretty simple. Hey, Candy, ven a chupar my car. Yeah. You spray. Alright. Of that, I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful exhaust right here. Deep beast right here. This is my uncle's car right here. He has like Acura TL. I'm not sure what this year. He's gonna change the front grill because the front grill looks like a bird's beak. But back to the headlights. First he said 800 grit, and then 1500 grit, and I'm pretty sure after that one it's gonna be whatever this is, and this. Difference, yellow, clear.
Yeah, these were restored.
¿Te acordás cuando el Miguelito se está jugando en la ven y...
Can I give you in with the headlights? Doesn't work. Yeah, I'm gonna put some water on it. He's still working on the lanes. We got one already done, so this other one is almost done. He just added the... Where's the thing? The cleaner? He's adding the cleaner in, so that's about it. Yellow when you turn to the side because it's dirty from inside. Outer, when you look further, it's more. It looks cleaner than before, so because I know when I used to work and I come out of work, The lights are really yellow, but you can still see the white lights. It has LED lights, HID lights. Is it LED lights or HID?
HID.
HID lights. Now what? We like it? Alright. Time for the reveal.
It's worse.
It's worse. You can really see the fucking Honda thing right here. I think it's not focusing. Why is it not focusing?
Daddy, look!
Yeah, it's Ruben. Get to Ruben.
Oh yeah, put it back. I think this one looks cleaner than that one.
Huh?
This one looks cleaner than that one. In the camera, you can kind of see it. Okay, so you guys gotta be the judge of which light is cleaner, or is this product actually pretty good? To me, the product's actually pretty good. I'm not sure if I could put a screenshot right now of how it looks before, and this is how it looks now. Like, this is absolutely crazy. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit yellow beginning on the side, but it's not too bad. At least I can see the lights now more clearer than ever. Like, it looks good in video. Like, looks like I installed new headlights right there, and I did fuck up sending down the lights. You know, I did get on the paint, but yeah, guys, that's basically it.